Hey everyone, in this video we'll go over DNS settings on your Nintendo Switch. Adjusting your DNS can help make your connection faster, unlock extra features, or access content from other regions. I'll show you exactly how to set up a manual DNS on your Switch step by step. First, get your Switch at hand. From the home menu, go to System Settings, scroll down to Internet. Now tap Internet Settings. Select the Wi-Fi network you're connected to. Scroll down and choose Change Settings. Now you'll see an option called DNS Settings. Tap on it. Set this to manual. After this, input the primary DNS, for example 8.8.8.8. Then input the secondary DNS. You can use 8.8.4.4 or leave blank depending on your setup. Once all of it is done, press Save to apply the changes, reconnect to your Wi-Fi. After that, be sure to test the connection to make sure it's working properly. That's all. Now you know how to set up a manual DNS on your Nintendo Switch to boost speed, unlock regions, or access hidden features. If this guide was helpful, give it a like, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more Nintendo Switch tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.